Got a 2 horsepower Bridgeport. Table been scratched and with the dovetail. In good condition. A good working unit right here. Another nice little Bridgeport we got. 2 horsepower. DRO. Table's been scratched. Whatever you want to call it. That's power feed. Nice looking unit. We are located in Bristol, CT. I'll have our website and eBay in the description. If you guys have any questions, my boss's number will be in the description as well. Please and thank you. Here we got 1.5 horsepower, 3-phase. Paint's in good condition. If you ever want us to install DRO or power feed, we are more than happy to do that for you guys. We have dozens and dozens of Bridgeports that we're in the process of being refurbished and CNCs. Please check us out in Bristol, Connecticut. You're welcome to stop by. All right, we got some honorable mentions. We got a Supermax with DRO. Nice Bridgeport also having DRO. Ultima with Prototrack DRO. Clausing with DRO. Like I said, these machines are being refurbished. Our mechanics have over 30 years of experience. Please check out my channel, my other postings and listings. Thank you.